Politiko at the time. He had achieved cult status. I'm sure many of you agree with me. He achieved a cult status as a reformist of the armed forces, was committed to change and risked his life for it. And he was our original lodi. And he continues to be my lodi. Why? Because he is such a humble public servant. For most of you who have worked with him in this hall, the halls of the August Chamber, know how humble he is. He is a loving husband to Tita Jane, a loving father to his children, and now a doting grandfather. He is a true officer and gentleman, and a true trabajador ng taong bayan. Thus, it is my foregoing reason that I am proud to second the nomination and confirm the ad interim appointment of former Senator, former member of this Commissioner of Appointments, Senator, now Secretary, Gregorio Gringo Honasan, as Secretary for the Information and Communications Technology Department. I so move.